Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery door cover on an HME DX100 wireless intercom base station. So these battery doors are known to break easily. They're kind of very weak. They have a weak spot where the latches hold on, and they are known to break. You can get a replacement from HME and have it replaced. Replacing this is so easy that you're gonna laugh. You're gonna say, seriously, you made a video on that? All you have to do is open these two screws, that's all. But I'll show you how you do it. Two screws, you open it, and these, you need these because these are the ones that hold it, so you need those. And look how nasty this is. It actually has rust on it and all that. So yeah, this is really bad. And see this part, how it broke? See this? It's all broken. This part is gone, completely gone. This latch is broken. This is semi-broken. So it's not in a good shape, to put it nicely. It's not a good shape at all. So now we're gonna put a replacement. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is the size of the tip of the screwdriver. Let's see what size it is. It's T8. The size is T8. Okay. Alright. So we take the new one, and once we get the new one, you put these on it like this. There are little holes that you put it in those holes, and then you put it in place and put the two screws. And voila, the new door is in, and it latches on very nicely. And yeah, and this is the same way you do it on DX100 MB300, and this is MB300, by the way. This is where I took the door from. This is MB300, and you do the same exact thing, just two screws. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen these MB300, DX100. This is a 2-channel, this is a single channel. Now there are some of these that are converted to, from 0, all, and X, they're converted to ISO, IC1, ISO, and IC2. I have those if you want. They simply put the DX210 wireless card in it. Okay. So that's it. That's simple as that. Now you're probably gonna ask, well, where do you get the battery door? I got it from the other base station to show you, but you can get it from HME or their authorized distributors. I'm sure it's gonna be an expensive part because these units are like a couple of $1,000, and it's gonna be like $50, $80. I don't know how much it's gonna be. I have no idea, but I'm sure it's going to be expensive. And you can get it from any HME parts dealer. They have small things like that, battery cover and all that. Okay, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.